this is your electron buddy. Today we'll be looking at how to test voltage using digital multimeter. So before moving ahead, let's see what are the types of voltages. The first one is alternating current voltage, which is commonly referred to as AC voltage, and the next one is the direct current voltage, which is referred to as DC voltage. So the basic difference between the two, here you can see the alternating voltage has two peaks, one in the positive and the other in the negative. It is a pulsating voltage, so it is referred to as alternating. The common examples of alternating voltage include domestic voltages, the voltages that you find in your home, AC generators, transformers, and so on. The next is a direct current voltage. Here you can see it is a unidirectional and it has no pulses. It is just in one line and fixed, so it is called as direct current voltage. Here you can see the examples of direct current voltage: batteries, your mobile batteries, your car batteries, your inverter batteries, all are examples of DC voltage. The next is DC generators, and the third is electronic circuit. Mostly you find electronic circuits operating on the DC voltages. So let's go ahead and see how to check voltage or test voltage using multimeter. Here you can see two voltage sources. This is a domestic voltage here, and this one is a battery voltage. So this is a DC source, this is the AC source. So let's go ahead and test it with a multimeter, see what are the voltage levels. So here is my multimeter. So here you can see the voltage range. Adjacent to V letters, there are two symbols. One is the direct current. Here you can see a line, straight line, and the other is the alternating current voltage, so which is the AC voltage. Here you can see the variable sign. So now we will first test the AC voltage, which is the domestic voltage. So for that I need to make sure my selector is in this range. In case you don't know what the voltage levels are, it is safe to keep the selector at the highest range. So in this case the highest range is 750 in AC voltage, so I will move the selector to 750. Yeah, I will switch on the multimeter. So just put the leads into the socket. So here we are getting a voltage level of 244 volts. So 244 volts is the domestic voltage level, AC voltage level. So now let's go ahead and check the DC voltage. For DC voltage, here you can see the range. So in this case also, since if you don't know what the voltage levels are, you can keep it in the maximum. Since this is a 5-volt battery, I will keep it at 20. So let's go and check. So here you can see it is a 5-volt battery. So that's it guys, this is how you are going to test the voltage with the multimeters. If you find the video interesting, kindly put a like and subscribe. Thank you.